let's start the session. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another. Oh, I was supposed to do a solo, I think. What's up, everyone? Welcome to another live stream. It's Tuesday, 14th of July, 2026, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Basically, start of New York session, 1 hour after New York session, and let's go over the trades we called yesterday, what happened, and what we're seeing right now. Let's get into it. So starting by USD JPY, I actually messed up a little bit in terms of trade management. I could break even and avoid taking some losses, well, two losses, but didn't do it due to the daily time frame. Not that I messed it up, it's just I was a little more optimistic to what happened. But I kind of forgot that this week is full of news. I didn't check it, but there is bunch of news all around this week, and today was one of them. On my broker, gold had the most craziest reaction, which is a gap to here. Now you can see the candle, but on my broker, it's just a gap. But yeah, let's go to the rest. So US30, we had a buy yesterday, and that's something that makes it interesting. I personally didn't get out myself, but depends on how you trade. You could have go break even. You could have take some profit. I know some of the students that actually shared the USD JPY. They had it already on break even, and they took some profit as well. Personally, I didn't do it. So what I'm trying to tell you here is that calling a trade, doing an analysis is less than, well, it's 50%. Forget about psychology for now, but it's 50% of the way. And once you get into the trade, that trade management is also very important. And one of the reason I never gave signal is because of this fact that I might go break even and close it and then call it a win, while you stayed in a trade and lost, or the other way around. You might made a profit and I lost, right? However, I can't guarantee anybody's profit or loss based on the signal that I gave because of the trade management. You might get into the you might act better, you might be on the chart more. I'm personally in front of this screen, but there is a lot of tabs going on. So once the session is over and my store is open, I will check the chart much less. And that's a difference. Somebody might watch it much more and can trade it better or manage it better. So just because I'm sharing what is my result and what I did and I'm being transparent doesn't mean anything is wrong with either me or the system or anything. It's just that's how the market is. Think of it like a maze, that you keep going, you hit the wall, you turn, you hit another wall, you turn again, you keep turning until you find a way and you go, right? So it's just that what works for you. That's just the tool that we have. Okay, so USD JPY did pushed up, stayed on profit, and literally a little bit before we come to the session, the news was out, and you can see what happened. Let me just quickly turn the AC on. It's so hot. That's much. Well, it's gonna be much better. Alright, so that's about USD JPY. But what happened with the news? I don't know what happened with the news. I didn't check it, but what happened in the market was definitely in higher time frame. It was a little bit kind of against us, right? We had a bullish engulfing on daily. Everything was respectful. I was not expecting to see a drop like this. I was actually expecting, even if there is a news, to be pushed up like this, but No. So looking at daily, we're not seeing any break on daily. 3 hours still have 2 hours left, and in 1 hour we broke the DMAs. So what I'm trying to say is that we still have the same bias. Nothing really has changed, and it looks like it's gonna continue pushing it up. Maybe not today, but we can wait and see how this is going to close. Is it gonna make all the averages turn a different way? Why am I saying that? Because we've been talking about when this happened, we actually talked about it last week, and also this. Both of them were the areas that we were thinking that price might completely like turn, and can happen. You can see how perfectly the level was hit. They didn't touch it. So we need to be patient, especially with the loss that we had. Well, I had. Looking at daily, I honestly still like US30. I believe they did a massive stop on. Look at that perfect hit to the level and coming right back up. Looking at daily, it looks perfect. I just it's completely below averages on 3 hour, 1 hour cross down. I'm gonna wait to see what's gonna happen tomorrow. So we're gonna wait a little bit just to see um, if price gonna stay there to be kind of breaking the daily DMA by the end of the day. We need to find out. I don't think it's wise to enter now, although it might work out. Let's go to the rest. Looking at year ends at the on daily. One of the reasons we left it alone yesterday. Nothing really. CHF also. We left it alone yesterday, and I said that it's a little far from DMAs. Not on 15 minutes as we are seeing it here. It was on 30 minutes. But by the time we were looking at it, it was a little. Let's see. Yeah, it was a little bit far from DMAs, so we didn't enter, but it did push up. I can see that, just like USD JPY. This one also pushed up about 50 pips. Even it could be even better, because I would be going break even if a level or something was hit. But you can see on UJ, this level was literally high of the day, so I was looking to see to get out of it or go break even there, which didn't reach. So I believe we are going to be bullish on USD JPY. We are at the yearly moving average. We still need a little bit more candles to kind of figure. But as I look at it now, I think they worked the high. They're going to come back, play around here a little bit. And then we might going to see finally a turn on this. And maybe a turn just as big as this. Not much, not as big as the drop, but that's still something. How did you guys manage? I see you guys are joining now. More. Welcome everyone, welcome. Let me know if the news did you dirty, or you survived, or you made money. Let me know in the chat. Don't be so silent. Don't be shy. Talk to me. Say hi. Come on, chat. Come on. I'm gonna wait for the something you guys say, so I'll make sure you guys are not bots. Looking at GJ. GJ looking very more interesting than UJ right now. Stop loss is a bit too much, 60 pips. But honestly, 60 pips is a bit too much. Let's see if we can get a bit tighter entry on here. About 35 pips if we want to go below the DMA. It's up to you if you want it. Let me take this. I'm gonna try this because I checked the pairs. I don't think I'm gonna have much to trade, but this looks okay. Let me open calc. I'll do below the low of the day, kind of. I'm gonna put it below level. Freaking. So about 2 minutes for this candle close. It looks alright. On daily it's good. We're above this. We might see another loss. It's alright. Alright. So let me see. 1, 2, 3 level, 218. 218.150. So it would be around here. I'm gonna put it on the level above it here. Oh, sorry, here. Just because I think might just be a massive run and I don't wanna get out of it in the middle. I wanna have a chance. It might backfire, I know. But it's okay. So I'm just gonna get into this. I don't think I'm gonna choose any other pair today. It's end of green light 2. I haven't entered waiting for GJ to buy, but prefer 3 hours to close first. Nice. Yeah, that's the trade of the day. Looks like the 3 hour closes in about 2 hours. It's a little bit too much of a wait for me. Not too much of a wait, I can leave it alone, but I know I won't be coming back to the chart today. So I'm just gonna take the chance. Gonna be higher stop loss a little bit, but it's okay. And quickly gonna go over the rest. There is no setup, guys, on the rest. I'm already telling you. But we're just gonna go ahead and check together. Drop off the GCAT. All Canadian dollars dropped. Euro USD came back to DMA. We're still waiting for the yearly moving average on EuroCAD to be hit. Happy we didn't took this trade yesterday due to the DMA telling us not to. And we can see the US CAD too. It was pretty possible and visible to see, noticing the other time frames against our plan, well, my plan. But if you had the plan like this, you could enter GBP USD. GBPs are looking bullish overall, you know. I was checking GBP AUD too, not too much, but still you can see that it can go to the yearly moving average and turn bullish, but it's getting too much of a pressure from the AUDs look like. And Euro JPY, nothing really. Nothing on Euros as well. As I said, literally there is nothing really happening that is interesting. Let's see. Oil is starting to push up. Let's not make it politic. But yeah. Anyway, Bitcoin also hit the 61,800 and now it's 63,800. So $2,000 rise on Bitcoin. Not bad. I can see the 1 hour and 3 hour and 30 minutes. All DMAs are broken. So we're getting more closer to that bullish scenario. Hopefully. Nice gap on Ripple. And that is pretty much today's trades. Nothing really. I'm gonna keep the GJ on so we can see. I have this. Ooh, journal. Journal. So we should have 30. Alright, journal is done. Nice. And cook. So let's show up there. Let's just show up on this now. Alright. Looks like we're right. Just. I actually wanna try something. So I wanna try something I saw yesterday. Practice makes it perfect. I saw that you can jump around this map and go to different places, but I wasn't sure if shut the fuck up. Let's kick our butt. Maybe no. We'll go find it. Doesn't look like you can. Fuck. I'll find another. Another war with the bots. That whipsaw that happened during the news, looks like today is a full moon. Yeah. Hell yeah. It's a new moon, my bad. It's a new moon today. You can expect movements then. Let's go. Choo choo. Oops. search YouTube. Guys, maybe I shouldn't really waste YouTube's time. Because I won't be touching the trade anymore. Actually, freak that. Alright, so I'm not gonna touch my trades, and I'm not gonna. It's not a gaming channel, so I sit there and play. I'll continue my play, but not live. Alright, see you guys tomorrow, guys.